Hello, my name is Sarah. I am a student of English literature, and this is the story of my journey to learning English. I want to share my experiences living in New York and learning from my fantastic teacher. Through this story, you can learn English with me. It was a beautiful summer day. I was traveling on a train when I noticed two women sitting opposite me. They were speaking English, but I couldn't understand much. I was just beginning to study English and didn't know many words. Gathering courage, I spoke to them in basic English. They understood what I was trying to say, which made me very happy. I shared that I wanted to learn English. The women told me they were from the United States and returning home from a conference. We talked for about 10 minutes before my station arrived. Before leaving, they gave me their address and phone number, inviting me to visit them in the U.S. This brief encounter motivated me to work on my English every day. After that meeting, I made it a habit to translate texts and watch English films. In 6 months, my English improved significantly. I decided to take the next big step, studying English in New York. When I arrived in New York, I joined a school to learn English. My first lesson was on a Monday. I met my teacher, a young and kind lady, along with my classmates. We introduced ourselves, and the lesson began. Our teacher had a unique approach. She explained that we wouldn't rely on textbooks but instead use English in our daily lives. This method proved to be very effective for me since I found textbooks confusing. Our teacher emphasized that language is a tool for communication. To learn a language, the best approach is to use it to express ideas and communicate with others. Many students focus too much on memorizing vocabulary and grammar rules without using the language in real-life situations. While learning new words and grammar is essential, practicing them daily is even more critical. On Tuesday, a student asked, "What is the best way to learn new words?" Our teacher explained that reading is one of the most effective methods. She advised us to read for at least 30 minutes every day. She also shared some tips for maximizing the benefits of reading. Choose texts that interest you. Ensure the text matches your level. Use a dictionary to look up unfamiliar words. Focus on understanding the meaning of sentences and how words connect. Reading helps not only in learning new words but also in understanding how to use them in context. I wanted to find a job to practice my English. My classmates suggested visiting a job center. There, I spoke with a lady who recommended working as a waitress in a cafe. She assured me that the training was simple and the job would provide plenty of opportunities to practice speaking English. I started my job on Thursday and was excited about this new opportunity. During one class, a student from Japan expressed concerns about his pronunciation. Our teacher introduced us to a technique called shadowing, where you listen to native speakers and repeat what they say. She explained that this method helps improve pronunciation and prepares you for presentations. We practiced shadowing in class and watched videos demonstrating the technique. It was a fun and effective way to work on our speaking skills. Another technique our teacher introduced was thinking aloud. Maria, a new student from Brazil, shared her experience with this method. She started by thinking simple sentences in English and speaking them aloud. Initially, it was challenging, but over time, it became natural for her. This technique helped her think directly in English without translating from her native language. To make my time in the U.S. more enjoyable, I joined the school's basketball team. This not only gave me a chance to stay active but also helped me make new friends and practice English in a casual setting. Learning English has been a rewarding journey. Through reading, shadowing, and thinking aloud, I've improved my vocabulary, pronunciation, and confidence. I'm grateful for my teacher's guidance and the techniques she shared. If you want to learn English, remember to read, listen, think, and speak every day for 40 minutes. Practice makes perfect.